Hello from Slovenia again. I will try to do a flower dip again, but I will combine two kind of techniques, I don't know, two ways of adding paint for the flower dip. So I will do a circle in the middle. I will start with metallic white and I will go with blues today. This was metallic white and this is Prussian blue, and then I will add this Prussian blue and this sapphire pearl blue are from Arteza. And then Windsor blue. This is Winsor and Newton brand. You ask me sometimes which brand I use. I use different brands of paint. Metallic paints are my craft paints. Whoops. Ooh, and this is metallic silver. I think that it's a little bit thin. And this is Artina cerulean blue. And this will be my middle part. And for outside petals I will do puddles. I think that you still remember that technique. I did that a lot, but not lately. So if you didn't see me doing this technique yet, I will put some links in the description. And next, oops, silver. You see, this silver is just too thin, I think. I hope that it will work okay anyway. And next I had Windsor blue. And then this sapphire pearl blue. I think that I add way too much this pearl, but now I have to do it in all of these puddles because I already start with this amount. It's easier to have paints in squeeze bottles for these techniques because you can control amount of paint easily than with stick. And Prussian blue next. metallic white, and some of my puddles already touches the middle part and some of them don't, so I obviously didn't do this the same as I will go with this Windsor blue once more. And with silver. And I think that I lost a lot of my Prussian blue here in the middle, so I will add a little more of Prussian blue. And this Windsor blue. And now I will just pour some black on the edges, on the sides, and I will just spread this here, but I will not do it under my paint here on plastic, so I can drip something, because you know that I'm a messy one. I watch some of my pouring friends. They just have everything so clean, but I just can't do that. I don't know why. I'm just a messy painter. So let's see if we can get different design, and still I didn't press it to the middle, I think. We'll just try to spread the middle first, and then I will go to the sides a little bit. But you don't want to press super hard, or just try to feel that you pushed your paint so that your canvas touched your paint underneath in all directions. So, the moment of truth. I will release sides first. And I think that this worked quite well. I didn't get exactly this centered flower that maybe I wanted. But I still think that it is beautiful. Uh, I didn't get as much lacing as I normally do. I don't know why. Maybe this it's important how you layer your paints. Maybe I shouldn't have do this. Oh. Maybe I should do layer them differently, but now it is what it is. It's not bad at all, but I was hoping for a little more lacing effect that I didn't get, but I was expecting this 3D effect in the middle. That's why I did the circle. So, but it's beautiful anyway. And now, because I don't like this next week I will publish, I already taped a video about my skins. I will show you another way to use your skins, and I will show you what I do with my cards too. So maybe some of you don't like to see this, but some of you does. So if you don't like to watch this, feel free to fast forward. Just have to put it on the plastic, because otherwise I have problems to take it off. I will do another one and then I will show you a close-up. I don't know if I tell already in this last videos, but I will do a giveaway for my 50,000 subscribers next week. I will inform you how to participate, so bear with me. These dips are cards will be beautiful too. I will show you my I will just a second. I just have to torch these cards a little bit too. So canvas first. Whoops, so much glare. What can I do with this glare? I have to work on my lightening, definitely. Hope this will be better. First, this is the whole flower. I think it's beautiful, even though I didn't get this center that I wanted. You see, I was hoping for this round lacing center, but I didn't get it. I will definitely try again with these circles and puddles combination. It is okay, but not as nice as I want to. And these are cardboards. See, you can see shimmer because I turn off my light, and this is the second one. And I will do few more after I will turn off my camera. I just use this design block. Just design block. This is in Germany, I think. English. Oh no, this is not English. Oof, I don't know if there is something in English. They're just you see this and I have already just cards like this, and I just use this. So sorry that I can't give you the whole beauty of it, because it has a beautiful shimmer, but if I turn on the light you will see only glare. I hope that you like it. Maybe try it yourself and tell me what you get. Show me what you get, and subscribe if you didn't yet. Leave me a comment. Share my videos on social media, and be safe. This is for those who live in Florida. Be safe, and I hope that this hurricane will pass and everything will be okay. So this is it for today. See you on the next one. Bye.